So the first compression packing cube that we have here is from Bagsmart. So this one comes in a 4-piece or a 6-piece. I've got the 4-piece here. So as far as like the differences between these packing cubes go, obviously you have the size difference. Then here it looks like this is like a shoe packing cube as well. So I haven't really used this. You just have a drawstring here and kind of close it. So this can be used as a shoe packing cube. Basically to cover your shoes and put them in your carry-on so that they don't touch your clothes. That's what this is for. But so neat little addition that Bagsmart gives you. But mainly what we're focused on are these compression packing cubes that you see over here. So with these compression packing cubes, I really love the mesh material. So me personally, I don't like when my clothes are enclosed within a closed space, okay? So what I mean by that is like if the compression packing cube, if this was all just like solid material, my clothes that I'm putting in there don't get like, they don't get to breathe. So with the mesh material, that's something I always on the lookout for. Here you have like ID cards, so you can kind of label the bags itself, but I kind of feel like that's a bit unnecessary just because you can actually see what's inside the bag, but it's a neat thing to include overall. All the compression packing cubes have a handle attached with them. The zippers, they're long. So with that, you can just open it right up, easy to pull. I do like how these open widely completely. This little one here just seems to have like some open pockets as well, and when it comes to organization, but the other two are just open compression packing cubes. So let's actually go ahead and pack this one that you see over here, the largest one, and I'll be letting you know how I feel about it. So I'll actually be packing this with this expandable feature open. So with compression packing cubes, you simply just unzip the expanding feature, and this adds about, I'd say, about a little over 4 inches, possibly like 6 inches. So I'll be packing it with this expandable feature. And there you have it. So right now, this essentially just is a regular packing cube. Now, with the compression feature, what it's going to involve is me actually zippering it down, which I'm not sure it's going to be able to zipper down. So this is what it looks like zippered, okay? So with it zippered, obviously it's compressed more down, saves a little bit of more space, but with it, I mean, it was pretty easy to zip up. 4 days worth of clothes in here, a 4-day trip, handle over here. So overall, very pleased with it. I'd say with Bagsmart, I like the different pieces that they give you. The ID cards, again, I feel like it's a bit unnecessary to put something here just as a label goes. Handles are great. The zippering function is great. It fits a lot of clothes already in one of the packing cubes, and we still have like 2 more to go. But overall, very pleased with it. And let's go ahead and move on to the next compression travel packing cube.